Hi, I'm Alex and I'm part of FeedGreen. FeedGreen offers online cooking tips for students, and today what I'm going to be cooking for all you guys is a really easy but super nutritious kale, carrot and broad bean stir fry. All our vegetables are locally sourced by Exeter Veggie, so stay tuned to see me cook this fabulous meal. Okay, so firstly we're heating the oil in the pan on a medium-high heat. Now the oil is piping hot, we're going to add the chopped onions. Stir them around a bit and fry them until they start to go translucent or look a bit sweaty. Got some crunchy onions going in here. Keep moving them around so they don't burn, because that would be a disaster. Health is wealth. Add the garlic and stir it around a bit. Now add the beautiful broad beans. Smelling fresh. And 2 teaspoons of water. These need to soften, so fry for a couple of minutes. Add in the carrots, stirring everything together. These will take a while, so fry for around 10 minutes until they start to soften. Next, we add in the curly kale. Try to mix it in without spilling it all over the sides. Stir around until the kale has wilted. Once the kale has wilted and the carrots have softened, pour over the sauce and mix it all together. Cook for a minute or two until the sauce is heated through. Quick, easy, nutritious, delicious, absolutely loving it. Subscribe for next week's one. FeedGreen offers online cooking. That's what I get to. I'm absolutely fine until I get to talking about FeedGreen, which is the whole thing I want to talk about. No. what I'm going to make is a healthy carrots, broad bean and kale. I'm out.
What was that?
Hi, I'm Alex. I'm just looking at your face right now.
I'm going inside.
FeedGreen offers healthy cooking tips for students. I'm from FeedGreen.